This is my first Samsa, their pastry in Bukhara, Uzbek pastry in Bukhara. It's meat filling and it's got lots of onions in it, so that makes it quite sweet. The taste is quite nice, quite just flavored by salt, I think. But because the meat only cooks in the pastry, I think they put it raw. So it tastes a bit like not cooked, raw feeling kind of thing in it. But I wanted to try it, and it's one of the traditional ones that they make it in the oven. I had one in the market yesterday, which was made in the bakery kind of thing, so made in the oven. That was a lot cheaper. That was 3,000 Uzbek soms, but this one is 10,000 Uzbek soms. This is slightly bigger as well, and is made traditionally. It's one of these you have to try. The flavor is nice, but because of all the onions, it tastes quite sweet. So definitely worth the extra price.